Hi, I'm Avrumi Glaser. I used to think that Geula is something we daven for and we wait for, till I realized that Geula starts within each of us. When Klal Yisrael got to Har Sinai after we left Mitzrayim, it says, Vayichan Sham Yisrael neged Har. And Rashi explains, and Chazal tell us, that Vayichan is singular, it's Lashon Yachid, to teach us that Am Yisrael is connected, we are one soul, we are one organism. And that means that your growth isn't just personal, it's Klal Yisrael's growth. Your clarity, your healing, and your tshuva actually brings the whole world closer to Geula. So what is Geulah Pratit? Geulah Pratit means freedom. Not freedom from the world, but freedom within it. It's when you're no longer enslaved by fear, resentment, or confusion. It's when you live with purpose, even when life is messy. It's when you feel Hashem with you, even in the dark. The Zohar says that when Am Yisrael is uplifted, the Shekhinah comes out of Galus. Now you might be thinking, that's beautiful, but I'm stuck, I'm anxious, I'm full of problems, my life is broken. So here's the shift. Geulah Pratit isn't something that happens when your problems go away. Geulah Pratit is what happens when you stop letting your problems define you. Geulah Pratit is when you know that Hashem is with you, even in your problems. When you walk the walk of life in the pain and in the struggle with Emunah and bitachon, knowing Hashem is with you every step of the way. That's Geulah Pratit, that's redemption. But here's another layer that most people aren't aware of. When you stop focusing on your problems and start focusing on uplifting others, Hashem will step in to take care of your problems. I heard once from a tzaddik, I don't remember the name, that one step for someone else spares you 1,000 steps for yourself. And by shifting the focus from your problems to how you can help others and how you can uplift others, you're not just bringing Geula to yourself, you are bringing Geula to them as well. And you are being an example of how you can bring more Geula to this world. So here are some practical tips on how to live a life of Geula. Tip number 1, speak to Hashem. Before the day pulls you in, take a little time with no distractions and tell Hashem your struggles. Tell Hashem what you're dealing with. Tell Him about your stress, your fears, your confusion. Tell Him out loud, like you're talking to a friend. And ask Him, Hashem, please help me not get stuck in my illusion of Galus today. Help me live for my neshama, not for my pain. Help me remember that you're with me and I'm not alone. Tip number 2, learn Torah that you connect with. Learn Torah that uplifts you. Learn Torah that teaches you Emunah and helps you build your bitachon. Sometimes all it takes is one line that helps carry you through the day. Tip number 3, stop waiting for your life to be fixed. Tell yourself, I'm not going to wait till everything is perfect to start living with purpose. Your Geula doesn't begin when your problems go away. Your Geula begins when you decide to rise anyway. And tip number 4, help someone else with no agenda, where there's nothing in it for you. The most powerful shift happens when you stop asking who will help me, and you start asking who can I help? What can I help with? That is the moment you stepped into Geula. Call someone you know is struggling or feeling lonely, or just smile at a stranger in the street. And you'll notice that when you help someone else, when you lift someone else, you suddenly feel powerful. You feel like you're not owned by your own problems. And Hashem says, you take care of my children, I'll take care of you. And finally, tip number 5, remember that Geula starts with you. It starts in your home. You bring the light into your home. You bring the love, the connection into your home, and you bring the happiness into your home. And you will bring Geula closer, not just for yourself and your family, but for all of Am Yisrael. Thank you for listening.